Okay, for this one it says, if a polygon is circumscribed around a circle, then all sides are tangent. Alright, so this means that this right here, BD, would be the same as BE. Instead of doing letters, let's just do congruent marks. So these are congruent to themselves here. EC is congruent to FC. And DA is congruent to AF. So using that, it says, in circle O, or circle O is inscribed in triangle DEF. What is the perimeter of triangle DEF? So DEF. So if I look here, DG is 11, so DH is 11. HE is 16, so is EI. And then GF would be the same as FI. So then all you're doing is just adding everything together here. And so if I add, let's see, if I add 11 and 11, that's 22. 16 and 16 is 32. 9 and 9 make 18, and then add the one more, so that would be 19. So if I add these together, let me add them. We get 73. And this doesn't have any measurements on it, so we'll just put units. Okay. Lastly, we have circle O is inscribed in triangle PQR, which has a perimeter of 88 centimeters. So we know the whole thing adds up to 88. What is the length of QX, QY, and QR? Alright, so let's fill in what we know. We know that if this is 17, this one's 17. We also know that 15 centimeters here for PX is also right here. What we don't know are these two values. And so because I don't know them, I'm going to just call them X. Alright, so if I add all my sides together, I have X plus X, which is 2X. 15 plus 15, which is 30. And 17 plus 17, which is 34. And instead of trying to find the perimeter, we were given that the perimeter is 88. Alright, now, if I go ahead and just work this out, we get 2x plus 64 equals 88. And if I subtract 64, I get 24. And then lastly, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So that means that QX is 12, QY is 12. But QR is 12 plus 17, which is 29.